Tonight, as part of our Rebound Buffalo initiative, we're helping you to make ends meet during this coronavirus pandemic. The Nourish New York program has helped to provide millions of meals for struggling families for the past 11 months now. Tonight, this lifeline is getting a big boost from the state of New York. A boost that is great news for both families and farmers. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Alla Arabi has more.
Even though right at the height of the pandemic, there was some concerns about where our milk would be going because a lot of it goes to restaurants and schools, but our milk actually was able to continue to be shipped.
It was a welcome pandemic surprise for Kelly Reynolds of Rencrest Farms.
Some other farms in our cooperative did have to dump milk, but we were fortunate that we did not have to.
Last April, as COVID numbers were climbing, New York State announced it would buy surplus milk and other goods from farmers like Reynolds through the Nourish New York Initiative. Now the state has committed $25 million to keep the program going.
It's a really good feeling that milk is able to still go from our farm to someone else's table. And that program, our cooperative Upstate Niagara Farms, they sent over 15 truckloads of milk and other dairy products to food banks across Western New York.
State Senator George Borrello says the initiative provided food to more than 1 million households during the pandemic. It's an opportunity to help families in need while also helping farmers.
The idea was to take so much surplus agricultural products. I mean, we saw this devastating impact when you had farmers dumping milk and leaving their crops in the field to rot because their markets had been displaced.
At the same time, more people were turning to food banks for help because of the pandemic, a need that continues today. Feed More Western New York says they provided 16 million meals to communities in Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, and Niagara counties. That's 4 million more meals in 2020 than in 2019. They're also expecting the increased need for food assistance to last for the next 3 to 5 years. Senator Borrello introduced bipartisan legislation to establish a permanent program that would connect surplus farm products with New York's food banks. As of December, Nourish New York has helped more than 4,000 farms and distributed more than 17 million pounds of food.
It's really nice that there was somewhere that someone could have it that needed the product.
In Buffalo, I'm Alla Arabi, 7 Eyewitness News.